What HVAC repairs usually improve comfort the fastest? Repairs that restore proper airflow, fix refrigerant or heating problems, and correct thermostat or duct issues usually improve comfort the fastest. The quickest improvement often comes from fixing restricted airflow, because your system cannot heat or cool rooms well if air cannot move through it. A technician may replace a clogged filter, clear a blocked return vent, repair a damaged blower motor, or remove debris from the indoor coil. If the air conditioner is low on refrigerant, it may run for a long time without removing enough heat, so finding and repairing the leak can make rooms comfortable much sooner. During cold weather, a faulty igniter, flame sensor, or limit switch can stop a furnace from producing steady heat. Uneven temperatures may come from leaking, crushed, or disconnected ducts, especially in attics or crawl spaces. A thermostat that is placed near sunlight, a draft, or a heat-producing appliance can misread the room and cause poor comfort, so moving it or replacing it may help. One detail many people miss is that a dirty outdoor coil can make an air conditioner struggle even when the indoor filter looks clean. Ask the technician to measure airflow, temperature change, refrigerant pressure, and duct leakage instead of guessing from the thermostat alone. A common mistake is replacing the thermostat before checking airflow, so have the technician test the filter, blower, vents, and ducts first. Another mistake is adding refrigerant without repairing the leak, because the system may lose it again and the leak can damage the compressor. Request leak testing and a written repair recommendation. People also close many supply vents to force air into one room, but this can increase pressure inside the ducts and make the system work harder, so keep most vents open and address the actual balancing problem. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.